Hey,
We're cooking bacon today.
this morning,
This morning.
some nice thick slices of bacon. It's just, for a family, it's too much to try to pan fry it. So, we put it on a baking sheet and we do it in the oven at like 425 degrees for whatever it takes until it's nice and crispy, not too crispy.
Well, what is the estimated time?
Estimated
15
time,
minutes?
I'd say 14, 16 minutes. Sometimes it's really silly and it's taken as much as like 20. I think it all depends on whether they're thinking that they're going to have a brownout today or not, and they don't give you full electricity here.
Yeah. So you just lay it flat.
Try to fit in as much as you can. And this was a big a family pack of nice thick slices, not the see-through thin slices. Trying to fit it all on the tray. A couple pieces are going to have to be doubled up, but that's all right. As they cook and shrink, you can use
space.
Yeah, there's more space, so you can move them over.
We're running out of space. There's more.
It's like moving. You got to get creative on fitting it all in. Fitting in the boxes. Fitting in the bacon. There we go.
Our daughter is doing the piano, so you can hear
She's
it.
a maestro. She's a 5-year-old prodigy.
Running out of space, alright. That's a double too.
Hmm?
Oh, okay.
It's one thick slice. What do you mean double? Trying to find where there's like some metal showing through. Like, there. It seems like we're already pretty much doubled over this way. Oh well. It'll just cook down.
Right there. Metal, right there. See metal.
Okie dokie, boss.
There you go.
So you always have your wife assist you. They're better at cooking and finding the spot. So, go wash my hands before I pick it up.
There we go.
Got to preheat the oven too.
Bake for 425. There.
Bake until cooked at your personal preference.
It said here, oh, blurry. It said 400 for 12 to 14 minutes for oven.
That never seems to be right. Yeah, okay.
But 425 since, came up pretty good when you do that at 425.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. But it said here 400, but we'll do 455.
One bacon today. Oven, hot oven. Put it on.
The oven.
We're putting it on the center rack because our oven is convection, so it blows the heat evenly everywhere.
Yeah, it said 425.
It said 12 minutes, so we'll start off with 12 minutes.
Yeah. 12 minutes for 425. Open light. Let's see. Oh, very. Okay, the timer is done. Yeah, it is more.
It needs a lot more, but I can get those double stacked ones off now,
Yeah.
and by moving things over a little bit.
I think I need to. This is 12 minutes. We still need a lot more. Oh, it's not even center.
It's, let's go 6.
6 more minutes.
It's counting right down.
Yeah, is that
5
okay
and
there?
6.
Is that okay? It's not center?
It's fine. It's a convection oven. It blows the heat around evenly, anyways. Heat wave. Looks like a couple are going to be done. Don't want to overcook them.
And what you gotta do is you put a paper towel on a plate and you let it
Degrease.
degrease itself.
Break loose. Stick together then. Some of these may not be fully cooked that I'm pulling off right now, but we can cook them a little more.
Then it's reheating
on the,
time.
yeah, when we
Because
reheat.
we don't eat the whole thing in one meal. It's like multiple meals. Try to stretch it out.
Boy, some of these are really sticking.
I'll just take a picture of that one in the plate. I need a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Here.
Yeah, I think maybe
That's good.
4 minutes for what's the stuff that's left. 3 minutes.
Yeah, some of these
'Cause
are like still white.
Yeah, we need some of these to be done so we actually can eat breakfast. Timer. 4. Start. See you in 4 minutes. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Okay, so far this is the one that got put. Oh, look at that, juicy.
Can I see? Can I see, Mom?
You see when it's on your plate, baby girl. And you enjoy all its yumminess.
No, I see it. I see it.
Doesn't it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're drooling.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy, alright.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit alright, alright, alright.
And yum, yum, yum.
Oh,
Oh, yummy, yummy, yum.
gonna turn around. Okay.
Up.
Off. Pot holder.
See. That's pretty good. More grease came out. There's a lot more grease.
Faster.
Oh yeah, they're done.
Yeah.
Off. And
Whoa. Fast.
oven is locked, so we don't have to worry about little fingers accidentally turning it on and your house burning down.
Thank you, Panda.
Okay, got another half of a paper towel, folded it in half. There's our first bacons.
Layer.
So now for these,
Gotcha. Whoa.
You just degrease it with a paper towel. Yummy.
ow, hot. That was my
Yum,
thumb.
yum, too. Mommy,
Yes.
I love bacon.
You love bacon.
Yummy, yum.
I know you do.
You love bacon, you love spam, you love ham,
But Mommy is yummy.
Yeah, very yummy.
you love Vienna sausages.
She does. Oh yeah, she does now. She used to just
Not
ew
like
it.
them, yeah.
Yes.
I remember oohing them.
She actually.
Then I
ended up-
liked them and then I oohed them again. Taste buds change over the years. Sounds like the oldest one's on her keyboard.
Okay. That's yummy.
Don't want to drop any on the floor. And then I'd have to go with the 5-second rule. That was close.
The grease here you can use for your egg if you want.
Yep. Bacon lard.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Perfection.
It's like
Mmm.
nice and crispy, I see.
Yes, and the bacon grease that you take off and you cook your eggs with is this nice clean stuff. You don't have to have the little salt brine crusties. Because the brown that's stuck in your pan after cooking is basically salt brine. Okay, well, it looks good. What's under here in layer 1? What's hiding? Didn't mean to get that much.